Maine Central Railroad Class H locomotives were intended for branch line passenger service. They were a 440-wheel arrangement in the Whyte notation, or 2B Inuit classification. They were the last American 8-wheeler type locomotives built for the Maine Central. Class H locomotives were numbered from 140 to 152 as delivered. American Locomotive Company's ALCO, Manchester plant assembled builders numbers 38,704 through 38,708 in 1905 and 41,216 through 41,220 in 1907. Builders numbers 46,034, 46,035 and 46,397 were completed at ALCO's Schenectady, New York plant in 1909. References